Valentine's Day low-carb cake recipe, Keto Cupid's cake, guilt-free romance for two. Celebrate Valentine's Day with a dessert as sweet as your love story, without the sugar crash. This keto-friendly chocolate cake is rich, decadent, and perfect for two, with layers of moist cocoa goodness and a creamy mascarpone frosting. Ditch the guilt and indulge in romance with every bite. Ingredients: cake. Asterisk half a cup almond flour. Asterisk a quarter cup coconut flour. Asterisk a quarter cup unsweetened cocoa powder. Asterisk 2 teaspoons baking powder. Asterisk a quarter teaspoon salt. Asterisk half a cup unsalted butter, softened. Asterisk a quarter cup erythritol sweetener, or your preferred low-carb sweetener. Asterisk 3 large eggs. Asterisk half a cup heavy cream. Asterisk 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Frosting. Asterisk 8-ounce cream cheese, softened. Asterisk a quarter cup unsalted butter, softened. Asterisk half a cup powdered erythritol sweetener. Asterisk 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Asterisk a quarter cup unsweetened cocoa powder, optional. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line 2 6-inch round cake pans. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together almond flour, coconut flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. 3. In a large bowl, cream together butter and sweetener until light and fluffy. Beat in eggs one at a time, then stir in vanilla extract. 4. Alternately add the dry ingredients and heavy cream to the wet ingredients, beginning and ending with the dry. Mix until just combined. 5. Divide batter evenly between prepared pans and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 6. Let cakes cool completely in pans before frosting. Frosting. 1. In a large bowl, cream together cream cheese and butter until smooth. Beat in sweetener and vanilla extract until light and fluffy. 2. For a chocolate frosting, add unsweetened cocoa powder and mix until desired color and consistency is reached. Assembly. 1. Place one cake layer on a serving plate. Spread a generous layer of frosting over the top. Gently place the second cake layer on top. 2. Frost the top and sides of the cake with remaining frosting. Decorate with fresh berries, chopped nuts, or sugar-free chocolate shavings, if desired. Tips. Asterisk for a richer flavor, use coffee instead of water in the cake batter. Asterisk chill the cake for at least 30 minutes before serving for a firmer texture. Asterisk this cake can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Serves. This recipe makes a delightful dessert for two people. But who says you can't share the love? Double the recipe and create a romantic centerpiece for a small gathering. Bonus tip: for a truly special touch, write a message in icing on top of the cake. Your sweetheart will melt even before taking a bite. Happy Valentine's Day! Go ahead, indulge in this low-carb treat and celebrate your love story with a slice of guilt-free sweetness.